I just feel safer flying and being in tight quarters with a lot of people with a mask.
That's the reaction from air travelers tonight as the CDC announces they will extend the nationwide mask mandate on planes and public transportation for another 2 weeks. So whether you're flying, taking a train, or maybe catching the bus, you'll need to have that mask on.
Keep that in mind. That mandate, of course, was supposed to expire on Monday, the 18th. CBS 17's Gilad Malamed is live for us tonight at Raleigh's Union Station. Well, that's one of the places where these masks will still be required. Gilad.
Ron and Angela, most of the riders I spoke to here say they're happy this requirement is continuing. And they said that even if it expired on Monday, they would probably still wear a mask on a crowded train.
Juan Vasquez rides the bus to work every day.
A lot of people have been sick, a lot of coughing going on in these buses sometimes. So I think the mask is something very important.
Masks will be sticking around. The Biden administration extended the requirement for masks on planes, trains, and buses. It was set to expire Monday. Amtrak rider Ann Pendergrass is happy to see the requirement continue.
Since we're in so close proximity to the people, I mean, we came down and the train was pretty full, so I felt comfortable having my mask on.
White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki says the 2-week extension gives the CDC time to monitor the spread of the BA2 Omicron subvariant, which now makes up more than 85% of cases in the country.
What they're looking at is that since early April, there's been increases in the 7-day moving average of the cases in the United States. So what they're trying to do is give a little bit more time to assess its potential impact.
According to data from the State Health Department, the average number of daily cases for the week that ended April 9th were up nearly 60% from the week before. North Carolina's hospitalizations are at a near 2-year low.
It's a little bit odd that masks are required on transit when you're not wearing them in other places, but I think it makes a lot of sense. You know, it's definitely keeping us safer and limiting the spread of infection, especially on busy trains like I was on.
What would you say the compliance rate was in your cart or from what you were able to see?
95 to 100%.
The mandate is now set to expire May 3rd. The CDC will be reevaluating. Live in Raleigh, Gilad Malamed, CBS 17 News.